Did you know that one of the most important aspects of the chiropractic adjustment actually happens after the adjustment? So at Genesis Chiropractic, we always do at least a 15-minute rest after the adjustment back here in one of these recliners, hopefully with some sunlight and some time to relax. It allows the brain and the body to get back into better communication with each other and also allows the adjustment to seat into place. If we were to send you back out right into traffic as soon as you got adjusted, there's a chance that you could undo everything that the adjustment is trying to do in your body. So it's important that after you get adjusted, you do some time of resting in order to allow your body to reconnect to itself.